Corn, soybeans, and cattle all pushing higher to start the week. Michelle Brook is back with more on whether the trend can continue in Markets Now.
Mixed closes in the grains on Monday. Randy Martinson with Martinson Ag is here with analysis. So, Randy, we did see corn and soybeans higher. We'd had a horrible day, so it was really impressive to see corn end higher. So, do you think that was weather or what pushed that market?
I think it's a couple of things. I think weather was one of them. I mean, they're talking about a little warmer conditions for the Corn Belt. You know, right now with the late planting, as wet as it's been, not much of a root system, that's certainly a high pressure ridge developing would be a little bit friendly to this market. But I also think, that they did see, I think corn is also seeing some because of the demand. Again, export inspection numbers were over 1 million metric ton, and we continue to see good demand for the corn.
Definitely, that was a bright spot. Soybeans were higher and kind of pushed by the meal market. Where's the strength in the meal market coming from at this point?
I think it came from a couple different places. One, we continue to hear talk about Argentina, still planning on going on strike. But I also think some of it could have come from the NOPA crush numbers being adjusted a little bit higher off of that discrepancy. So I think that those two things came in to help push the soybean market a little bit. And the fact that now it looks like we're going to get all the crop planted, and maybe we're not going to see an increase in soybean acres.
And again, it was impressive to see soybeans close higher with wheat lower, and the fact that export inspections were not very good Monday morning, were they?
Not for soybeans, they weren't. I mean, we continue to see a lot of the demand switch over, continue to be with Brazil, and we haven't been able to see much demand come to the U.S. We had that export sale last week, and hopefully we were hoping that we could start to see a little bit more demand start to switch to the U.S., but it just hasn't followed through yet.
And the wheat market had a horrible day, more double-digit losses and new lows for the move. That's not all technical. Is this harvest pressure or what?
I think there was a trifecta that hit the wheat. I think, part of it was harvest pressure coming from the U.S. and because of better than expected yields being reported out of the Southern Plains. We had a higher dollar today. I think that kind of hurt the market a little bit. And then also there, some rains fell in the Black Sea region with more rains on the horizon. A third of the country is still going to be somewhat in dire need of rain, but it is starting to improve.
Yeah, it's been tough. 9 down days there. All right. Thanks, Randy. Randy Martinson Ag. We'll have more AgDay coming up. Watch Markets Now with Michelle Brook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.